What I love about Oklahoma State University is I get to bring my expertise, but I'm growing as I'm taking on the knowledge and skills of our students as well as our faculty members. Well, that's interesting. I actually study family policy and law, but I look at policies and laws that affect grandparents and aging adults. So I have a body of research on grandparent visitation rights, grandparents who are parenting their grandchildren, and my latest project involves how Hurricane Katrina impacted aging adults. In addition to that, I've done a lot of work around some of my other work has been focused on needs assessment and program evaluation. And my third body of research focuses on how do you teach family policy and law using aging issues and just general issues across the board. So there's the instruction of scholarship that focuses on teaching policy and law. One of the things I try to do is to make sure that students feel that they're a part of the classroom environment. So my pedagogical approach to teaching is cooperative learning. And I tend to use groups in which the students lead discussions, they write a paper together, but they also learn both academic skills but professional skills. And so when you talk about academic skills, is how to use research, how to find good research, how to articulate good research, but to transfer that into areas that most of our students will work in, which is the social science field or social service field, and they'll be taking that research and applying it. And so I call it putting research to work. And in doing that, they need to be able to translate research into layman's language, for lack of a better word. And so if they can't say to someone what they know in a very brief but succinct manner and in understandable language, then I think I failed my students. And so I'm always encouraged when they're able to master some of these very technical skills or technical language around best interest of the child, or what's child welfare really about, or what is foster care, and how do they use what they've learned in developmental research to enhance what happens to children who end up in the child welfare system or the foster care system.